translations. What is a translation? It is a movement to vertically or horizontally slide a figure. So this is our first image, and we're just sliding it to the right and then down. And then this is where our second figure ends up. So that's all a translation is. It's just moving left and right and up and down, not changing anything about it besides that. A translation is one of our isometry transformations. And we're going to represent this in a symbolic form. So you're going to see X and Y, because that's how we write our coordinate points, right? So we're going to take our original X and Y, and they're going to go to X plus or minus A and Y plus or minus B. And our A is going to represent how many we shift it horizontally, which is left or right. So if it's plus A, that's going to be to the right, how many ever. And if it's minus A, it's going to be to the left, how many ever it says. So then that means our B is going to represent our vertical shift, and that's going to be up or down. So if it's plus B, it's going to be up, and if it's minus B, it's going to be down. So let's look at a few examples. We've got this one right here, example, graph the image under the translation. So you can see our rule. We've got our X and Y, and we're going to take our X and add 3, or move it to the right 3. And then we're going to take it and move it down 6. So there's a few ways you can actually do this. You can take your point and add or subtract from your X and Y. So I can take this -4, add my 3, and that's going to give me -1, where that's going to be at. And I can take that 1 for Y, -6, and that gives me -5, and that's where that new point's going to be. Or you can take your point here, where's -4, 1, 2, 3, 4, -4, 1 is right here. That's our point A. And I can just take that point and go 1, 2, 3 over to the right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to down. And that's my new A. Remember, your new image A is going to have A apostrophe, and that's going to show our image. Our pre-image is just labeled with letters without anything, and then our image is labeled with A or with a letter with an apostrophe. All right, doing the same thing to all of these other points. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I think that's B. And this one is C and D. We're going to be interrupted.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one and indivisible. Please remain standing for a moment of silence.
That was B. A. All right, so you can see the image that I have placed here. So, C
Thank you and have a marvelous day, Mustang.
Of the image is going to be at 4, -4, and D is going to be at 1, -9. So I have those plotted here. This one right here, this example wants you to find the rule that describes the transformation. So we're showing from z to y. What do we do? So let's find the coordinates of z. Z is at -2, 2. Let's do that. -2, 2. And y is at 1, 2, 3, 4, -4, -2. So you're going to write the rule. So the rule is x comma y, and it goes to what? X. So a couple of things you can do. You can take your x's and see how much change there is. Or you can go from z to y. How many do we go horizontally? 1, 2. And we go to the left, so it's -2. Comma y, and then we're going down 1, 2, 3, 4. So again, it's subtraction 4. So let me quickly write the rule for this one, x comma y, and it goes to x plus 4, y minus 2. So then these examples keep going from point to point, and then these ones are moving your image as well. If you just see your x or y here and it doesn't have a plus or a minus, that means your x or y doesn't change. So if this first point is at -1, 4, that means my x of my image is going to be still at -1, but my y is we're going to add 3 to that y. So it's going to be 7. All right, I went through this really super quickly. Let me know if you have any questions.